Central 4175. Transporting 1 male to county on a trip 62584.
Because you were transporting with another male, with a male, and to do mileage. I mean, it doesn't hurt.
Yeah.
You being a female, the only time you have to do is if you have a male or a two, and you don't have another male.
Got it. It's happening, man. It's happening.
I was shocked that I thought they were going to pull some bullshit historical society and we were going to have another homeless shelter in the middle of it.
Oh.
Because that's what they do in Joe.
Oh, really?
We got 4 of them.
How long did it take, though? I feel like it's taking so long, though, to just get it done.
Well, they had to allocate the funds to that, and there's a beast to pull down, so.
I can wait just call him once you're
Joliet Police, 1 male.
Cedric River from Central.
As soon as we get out of here, we're going to hit a subway. I'm going to grab some lunch.
Here's my 2706, 2706. You're on 50.
Did you?